In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailchimp automated emails to new subscribers. Whether you're looking to welcome new users, share important information, or build a relationship with your audience, Mailchimp's automation tools can help you do it easily and efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get everything set up and running smoothly. First, head over to the Mailchimp website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your starting point for managing campaigns, tracking performance, and of course, creating automations. Now look for the automations icon in the main menu. This is usually represented by a symbol of connected dots, resembling a workflow. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the automations page, where you can begin creating your email sequence. Here, you'll see an option to create a new automation. Select that, and the platform will ask you whether you want to start from scratch or use one of their predefined templates. If you're new to email automation or want some guidance, the templates can be a great time saver. They're designed to align with common goals, like welcoming new subscribers or promoting a product. On the other hand, if you already have a clear vision for your workflow, starting from scratch gives you full control. Pick whichever option suits your needs best, and let's move forward. Now it's time to give your automation a name. In the field provided, enter something descriptive that reflects the purpose of your workflow. For example, you might call it Welcome New Subscribers or Intro Email Series. Naming your automation helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple workflows. Next, you'll set a trigger. The trigger is what tells Mailchimp to start the workflow. For this tutorial, let's say you want your automation to begin when someone subscribes to your email list. Simply choose the appropriate trigger from the options provided. If you're setting up a different type of workflow, like one based on an anniversary or a specific date, you can select that instead. This step is crucial because it defines exactly when your automation will kick off. Once your trigger is in place, it's time to customize the email content and sequence. This is where you can design the messages your subscribers will receive and determine the order in which they'll be sent. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to create emails that are visually appealing and aligned with your brand. You can add text, images, buttons, and more depending on the message you want to convey. Take your time here. This is your chance to make a great first impression before setting your automation live. It's important to review everything. Double-check your settings, email content, and workflow sequence to ensure everything looks accurate. This is also a good time to test your emails by sending them to yourself or a team member to make sure everything works as expected. Once you're happy with your setup, go ahead and click the Start or Activate button. Congratulations! Your automation is now live, and Mailchimp will handle the rest, sending emails to your subscribers based on the trigger you set, and that's it. Setting up automated emails in Mailchimp is a powerful way to save time and keep your audience engaged. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.